So friend, this is my online Nettech Busca channel. In this my video, I am showing you new control panel options related. So all my videos is a part wise and control panel playlist inside. You can watch every control panel options related information and with practical. So today I am showing user account related options very important for. So watch video Windows 10 playlist Windows 10 account related. So this is a today I'm a user account related option. But before we are understand what is a user, so let's start. Hello friend, this is my online Nettech Busca channel. In this module you can see here my this online Nettech Busca channel. This type right and search here and you can visit here. This is my channel logo and so you can see this is my very lot of videos available for you and your basic computer knowledge, advanced courses, PayPal, how to use in PayPal, Windows 10 settings, computer hardware courses, network courses, and very important for you operating system and computer hardware related. So you can see network courses and I'm daily update this video for you and very free of cost and basically you can very different type of syllabus you can control panel using in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. So you can see all of playlist available in my this channel and you can visit very helpful for your computer and computer knowledge for related. So you can see here this is a very important and different type of network and computer related courses, internet related courses, computer ethical hacking, Red Hat Linux, Windows 10 basic, Windows 8, how using Windows 7 basic, how to install operating system, everything available in my channel online at this basic channel. This channel very helpful for you and advanced you can learn about computer, okay, and visit one by one my you can see here my videos available. So any question you can comment me and you maybe like, so this is very good for you and click on subscribe and click on like button. So let's continue this video. So friend, understand about what is the user. So user is the main control system of computer owner, okay. So you are using your Facebook, so you are create a username and password. It is the same as it is a user is a very important for your computer. So any operating system you are using, Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 1, Linux, Red Hat 5, Linux, Red Hat 6, Linux, Red Hat 7, Linux, Red Hat 8, any Mac OS using, any operating system using. Important is what is the main using your operating system with your user. So user is one type of owner, two type user available. First is local user, second is administrator, means main user. So user is control your operating system, one type of accessing, one type of your access feature. So this is without user you cannot log in, without user system is very important for. So in this any operating system, two type user so in all OS and server. First is one type of user is administrator user. Administrator user means main of computer, full control, full accessing, full any system features and settings change, not need permission. But second is a local user is only open file in folder but not change any main important settings, features and systematic. Okay, so this is very important for understand about this second type of user. Let's understand again. Suppose you are using one type of laptop connection, either you are using laptop and you are user administrator using. So administrator account is a main user. You log in your main user of your computer, because this is a permission and a password protection system very important for your main user. So this is a not need permission for any changing in the system. Permission of password by administrator. So any changing local user, one type of settings. So first permission ask by only for administrator. So without administrator permission, local user not start. And what is a local user, what is a main user, I will discuss in one by one in this video. So this is a main user is a very important for your computer, because all of the setting, all of access, all of your feature changing, you know, your administrator account is one type of owner, one type of very system of boss, means the system main user. But this is important for understand about local user not directly change any settings, your not change your any password without administrator permission. So lot of people not know about not understand what is a user and what is the type of user. So administrator is a main user and not share any password, not administrator share password your computer, because this is your main user password. Okay, second is the settings completely set up, because this is very important for your security related. And this reason I'm again again give message, watch my all control panel videos, very important. Password permission for any setting in the computer but not need permission administrator account. Why? Because administrator is main of user, and password not need permission, not need any changing. You are login already in administrator account, but you are logging in local user. So every time asks uh, permission from administrator account, and you would enter first administrator account user ID and password, and then after you can change your by setting local user. So second part is I am again showing you are using as a local user. Okay, local user your friend using and something change, try to settings. So local user account not directly change, because and so OM is one type of my main investor account, Manoj Vinay. It is one type of a local username, local account. Okay, so this is a MNOAG. Manoj is name of my account, user account number. It means username, and Vinay is a local user. But OM is my you any enter name your administrator related account, any name give, and remember your this name, your administrator account, and this name local account. Okay, very important for understand about in this. I'm clear in this one by one, and how you are set up and understand and how you create administrator account. So this is very important for administrator account. Manoj and Vinay type these two account always local account, because any your friend local user you are give local user ID and password. So anytime changing, so this asks permission from this system here. Okay, so this is a very important for understand about this system. Okay, so first is understand about administrator account is a first and high level type of your user ID and user main of a user computer, and don't share your administrator account password. Okay, so again understand about an administrator related. So administrator user have full permission, change settings, create account, policy setting, register setting, network setting, and configuration, control panel, full settings. So our engineer created administrator account have a lot of full permission. Why? Because this is the main of user. You can see here this picture animation inside. You can see here this type of username enter and password enter here. But you are wrong password, so you cannot access and start. But local user is what is the main local user. So local user is a local type of using, not change settings, not create account, not play policy setting change, and this is a local user you are give. So secure your one type of security, very important for your computer. Okay, so people is one type of your hacker, your friend, something, your very bad type of behavior. So you must give local user only password, username, password. So need administrator password permission and group combined user. So you can create third type is you can create group. Okay, so what is a group and how you create a group in a computer, I will discuss in this one by one. So first is administrator account create. You can create local account, and third is create a group. So every user is on a different type of created for process, work, and system. You can see here local user is a local type work here. Okay, not administrator type working here. And local user through any your friend change settings. So first permission take administrator account, and your friend have administrator account, not any information, not a username, no, and not no password. So save your computer. Okay, one type of safety for your computer, and very good for your setting and your systems and your computer. So a lot of people friend you give your computer and sometime change settings, sometime uh, you know big mistake creator. Why? Because you are give administrator password and username. So don't give your friend the username and password, because this is a very risky in your computer. You can give your local user, and you are using with your friend, with your child using so give must local type user password and username password, but don't give administrator password. Okay, very important for, because this is full of access, controlling system, controlling everything, policy, registry, control panel, full setting change by administrator account. Okay, so administrator account, any name you can give and create administrator account. I will show you in how to create administrator account, and any name give local user and local account, how to set up here. Okay, in one by one I will discuss in this my video. So this is a very important video for user account related. Okay, so a lot of people not know about what is a user, what is how many type of user, and how set up your user system, because this is the very important for, because your computer start and power on and exactly that time password enter here. Okay, but you can see here this is in my control panel. Inside again I'm showing here, you can see user account is and you can see here first administrator account create, and second create user account. So first is you can click on here user account. So you can create two tab user account. You go into computer management system, either you can create from control panel system through. So you can see user account, you can see this is my user account, this window here, and I've already created this my administrator account. You can see here this is my user account, name is Sky, SKY, I'm new here, and you can see my picture enter here, and local account inside you can see administrator account, you can see here. Okay, so you can see permission, very important, administrator account. Okay, So this not local account, this is the administrator account, and this you can see here administrator showing here. Okay, so before you understand, I'm just give something very important information, because administrator account very important, and this result you must protect by password. And second is important is a local account, enter password. Okay, so you can make change something PC settings, so you can change PC settings. I'm already create Windows 10 setting inside. You can watch playlist account related, so Windows 10 settings related everything. I'm already created videos and watch one by one. Okay, so you can see here this is one type of system here. Okay, so this is account settings and account related one type of one by one. Okay, so watch Windows 10 settings, account settings video, very important for, and you can change up here. Okay, you can lot of settings available in my computer. Okay, so this is one type of different type of settings. You can see here this is all of settings. I'm already created videos in Windows 10 settings, created already playlist. So find out in my playlist inside Windows 10 settings. Again, I'm going to control panel, click on large icon, and you can see this user account, and you can see here this my these you can see here my windows here. So you can see this my sky is my administrator account. So this is administrator accounts. I have all full permission. Okay, everything. What is this, man? I have all the full of permission, you can see here. So this is very important for understand about you can manage your account from here. So you can see this is you can manage calendar manager. I'm already created calendar manager related video, so watch in playlist calendar manager related video, and create a password, your disk, reset disk. So this not I am start requires removable media, means USB related. Create a password, reset this after manage your file encryption certificates. So BitLocal drive encryption you can set up here. So I don't like these file encryption system certificates, one type of your user and encryption systems, and your hide your one type of encryption. So click on next and going to directly. So you want to like so you can create one type of certificate, incoming certificate file of encryption, and something backup and password, enter and confirm password, one type of setup here. So I don't like this because I'm just only showing in this my video user account. Okay, so I'm going to cancel here, and but I'm just only showing one type of update your provider encryption, but I'm cancel here. Okay, and you can see this new type of setup here. You can see this is my administrator account. I'm already sky, enter in this user account. So you can see here this is manage your you can see, so manage another account. So I can change in another account to manage just like local account. Again, I'm showing you right click file manager, computer, and Windows 7 my computer, right click manage. Second is type tech, second is way. Second way is you can create from create a new user. So you can create a control panel, going to click on large icon, and going to system. You can see here, but I'm going to directly computer management system. Okay, I'm already created computer management system related videos. Watch my in playlist, and system inside you can see this my not available this edition, home edition. Okay, and home premium edition. Must understand, must not, you are using Windows 7 home edition and home premium edition. So user create not available this option, only Windows this option. Okay, not available. So Windows Ultimate, Windows Professional type, these options available. Okay, Home Premium, not additional available. So you can see this is local user account and group. I'm click on user. So this is second way you can create a new user. So this is MID min sky. So you can see create, right click and new user. Okay, and this enter your username. So this is a username, enter here. How to create, again I'm showing you how to create your administrator account. So you can see you must understand only one user administrator account enter and other local account enter here. Okay, so don't multiple administrator account enter. So I'm enter username, any name, and enter any username of full name. Okay, enter your any name, and you can see this is one tab your username, ID, and full name you can see here, and related you can see SVK name, username, and this full name enter here. Okay, and the description enter any your related about your user related. So I'm enter this user one type of using any type. You can enter here password. Okay, so you can set up password either directly on other side to set up, but I'm enter already name, and you must change password next logon. This remove untick mark because you next time login change again change password, and user cannot change password this type and password never expired. These two must tick mark here. So this is my sky is my administrator account already created, and I'm click on only this password never expire and click on create. Okay, just watch here. Okay, so this is very important for understand. Okay, so password never expire means you are set a password your user, so never expire your password, one type of policy. And creative means create my this complete. So you can see SVK type user completely create, and right click again I'm showing this local either you can set up directly password here. Okay, so you can set up directly password from here. So enter password something new, simple. So I'm enter password here. Okay, and click OK. Password set here. Okay, so user create and complete create my but this is a local user. You want to delete users, you can delete here. You want to rename, but property is going to here, and watch important member of inside showing administrator account. So this is a general inside my username. Click on member of users. You can see user means local user. This is a local user, but this area side showing administrator, so means this is administrator account. Okay, so this is important for your setup here. So you want to add and remove, and this area control panel side you can see here. You can see here user account inside so user account this option inside not give this type creator, but you can see in my computer sky is my administrator account already. Okay, so I'm create only local account. So first understand again, I'm administrator account only one in computer and other computer account is local account create. MID and Suresh type this name is my local name. Okay, local account, and properties click on, and you can see here this user is means local user. Okay, but you want administrator account enter change convert, so add and advance and clean find out and find administrator showing here. So you can see these administrator showing here. So you want the local account convert in your administrator account, so you can see set up this tab and click OK, and you can see administrator here, and remove these local said okay location means but I like only local account because this is only one only one administrator account in one computer. Okay, important, very important, and that you cannot understand okay, so one administrator account in one computer and other is a local account important. Okay, don't enter multiple administrator account because this is very risky, and you must understand about you can see this is my sky is sky name is administrator account. You can see this type here. Okay, again I'm showing right click and you can see member of administrator. Okay, so this is very important for understand about my computer, and must enter password, very important. So next time I will continue in this my topic, and very important for understand about because this video very long here, and next time I will continue group related information. So next video very important for as same this user related. So thanks for watching my video. Click on subscribe button, click on like button, click on bell icon for new notification when I upload new video. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.